welcome to Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. All right, whether you are in stop and go traffic or just have long commutes day after day after day, our upper and middle backs can get kind of tight and locked up. I got something for you, all right? So you're gonna take your steering wheel, crisscross at the forearms and the wrists, and I want you to push into the steering wheel, tuck your chin, and round out the spine. So you want the shoulder blades to come apart from each other here. I'm gonna take a peek underneath my left elbow and then take a side bend. So you're reaching through the fingertips on the left side, staying anchored down through that left hip. Nice big stretch. Come back to center and do the other side. Take a peek under the right elbow. Reach, reach, reach. Stretch all the way through the fingers. Stay anchored down through the seat and then back to center. Now, of course, you got to do this one while you're in park. Maybe you're waiting in the school pickup line for your kid. Always safety first. Try it and let me know what you think. This has been your Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. Until next time.